Good morning. We're heading to the airport. We're on our way to Vegas. I'm sure a lot of my eBay friends are like, you're a week late. Yeah, I'm not going to eBay Open. That was last week. This week it's Market Week. So we are heading to Vegas to go to Market Week. Monday and Tuesday we're going to be at Market Week, and Wednesday is a fun day. We're just going to go to, what was it, Mount Charleston, and hike and sweat because it's apparently 107 degrees in Las Vegas right now. It's okay, that's fun. Anyway, it's getting ready to rain here in St. Louis, so I really hope that doesn't delay our flight, but we'll see. Oh, we're finally here at the Venetian. Apparently my husband upgraded us to a suite. Look at this. So this is the first time I'm seeing it. What's in the box? Amenities. Anyway, look at this. Oh my god. So we had a 3-hour flight. Oh my god. I knew I should have brought my bubble bath. We're gonna have to buy some bubble bath. 3-hour flight with 2 twin crying babies on the entire flight. Oh my god, it was miserable. That bed is beautiful. That bed is beautiful. And we have a little sitting area. And we need some lights. And we have expensive goodies that I might get desperate and eat. Maybe. And then we have a view of Harrah's. Ooh, what's that over there? The Mirage. The Cosmopolitan. It's probably glaring. McDonald's. Oh my god.
That's McDonald's?
Who doesn't want a view of McDonald's?
Oh, good lord.
It'll look better at night. Everything looks better at night. Treasure Island. Let's turn some lights on. This place is dark. Anyway, I mean, it wasn't the worst flight ever, but it definitely wasn't the best flight. It was, I do love the sitting area. The baby was very annoying. My husband has earplugs, so it didn't bug him. I don't like,
I can still hear it.
not earplugs, I'm sorry, headphones. You could still hear the baby. 2 babies. And as with Southwest, it's always a full flight. I have never been on a Southwest flight that was not full. Anyway, that's our room. So, hold on. Yep, I'm in Vegas. I don't know if you're watching it this far, then you realize I'm in Vegas. I'm just checking out our room again. And yeah, it's Sunday. And oh my god, I'm one of those people that keeps all the shampoo and conditioner. If you go in my bathroom at home, I got like bags and bags of hotel shampoo and conditioner. I don't know what that door is for, it's locked. Anyway, I am going to charge my phone and we're gonna walk down to Circus and have some fun. I got room service because, oh my goodness, this is seafood fried rice. Anyway, we didn't really see anything we wanted to eat walking around, and even though it's like crazy late, I'm still hungry, and we have like a room credit to use up anyway, so we got room service. Pretty fancy. That looks really good. Anyone has scallops and lobster and stuff in there. And then I ordered 4 sodas because I'm just trying to use up the room credit. So yeah, this seafood rice and 4 sodas was $80. Crazy. But the waitress came in and set up the table and everything, and I'm like, oh, that's not necessary. She's like, oh yeah, it is. It's our standards. Okay, that's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my fried shrimp, and it's like midnight here. It took an hour for this to get here, but that's okay. I had plenty of stuff to work on. Good morning. It is Monday. Second day in Vegas. It's 6 a.m. I just couldn't sleep anymore. My alarm wasn't until 7 a.m. I didn't even have to get up, but I did because I couldn't sleep anymore. So I'm just hanging out in this huge bathroom because my husband is still sleeping, and I'm just like looking at this toiletry box. I haven't got one of these before at a hotel. Look at this. Here is a sewing kit. Here is Q-tips. I don't know, I just thought this was cute. It's the little things I'm easily impressed. Makeup remover. Shower cap. I actually use those a lot because, my hair is long. I don't always want to wash it. And then nail file. So choice. We have a rental car. And I didn't mention that yesterday. We always get a rental car. We have budget fast break. It takes us like 2 minutes to get a rental car. It's all set up ahead of time. We look on the board to see what our number is. We go straight to our car. It was so cool. It actually took us longer to check in at the hotel than it did to pick up our rental car. Coming in for the hotel, oh my God, it took us 30 minutes to check in here. It was crazy. We just arrived at a bad time because when we were walking through the lobby later that night, there was like no one waiting. I guess we just arrived at prime time. And so I really like our hotel room. You saw that I got food service last night. Anyway, I was saying for the convention center, it's not walkable, but it's very close. So we valet parked our car. So either we get our car and drive to the convention center, or they have a shuttle that we can take to the convention center. And I don't always like shuttles because if everyone uses the shuttle, then you have to wait a long time. But then again, everyone's using valet service, so you might have to wait a little bit for them to bring you your car. So I don't know. I'll do whatever Robert wants to do. But we'll probably use the car later tonight and go somewhere else. Robert really wasn't happy with the strip last night. Marijuana is legal in Las Vegas, and I think this is like a recent development. It just smelled really bad, like pot everywhere we go. And I'm just not a huge fan of that. This is like our, 5th time to Vegas? And so this is the first time that it was noticeable. I just didn't enjoy that aspect of it. To each his own. I'm not judging anyone. It's just not something I want to smell as I walk up and down the street. And it was hot. It's like 107 degrees out, which we knew it was going to be hot. This is Vegas. So, my husband just has some medical conditions that the heat's not good for him. So, I don't know what we're going to do. Find somewhere else to hang out. Maybe go to Dave & Buster's. There's a chocolate factory we want to check out. Who knows? We'll find something to do inside.